Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about short answer questions. 4 mark questions from chapter 6. Okay, as we know that this chapter plays a crucial role to get good marks. Mostly they may ask to find A union B or A intersection B, a set builder from a roster from, number of subsets. Those are the methods of problems which are there from this chapter. Okay, coming to question number 1. If A equal to x such that x is a factor of 12 and B equal to x such that x is a factor of 6, then find A union B and A intersection B. Okay, sometimes they may give direct elements in the set, but sometimes they may ask indirectly, right? So what is set A? Set A is x such that x is a factor of 12. Factor of 12. What are the factors of 12? 1 is the factor of every number. 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 6 2 are 12 and 12 1 are 12. So what are the elements in set A? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Right? So children, if you understand the question properly, solution is easy only. The thing is, set A is x such that x is a factor of 12. What are the factors of 12? As the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Right? Now coming to set B, x such that x is a factor of 6. X such that x is a factor of 6. What are the factors of 6? As the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? Got it? Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. Now the question number 1 is, they are asking to find A union B. What do you mean by union? All the elements which are there in both the sets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Union B is 1, 2, 3, 6. Right? We need to write all the elements which are there in both set A and set B. If at all any element is repeating twice, we need to write only once. Right? So 1 is there common, and then 2 is common, 3 is common, 4 is there here, and then 6 common, and then 12. So what is A union B? As A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Right? Next, second one, A intersection B. What do you mean by intersection, children? We need to write common elements which are there in both set A and set B. In set A we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Intersection. In set B we have 1, 2, 3, 6. What are the common elements which are there, which are present in both the sets? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 6, 6. They are the common elements. So that is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Got it, children? Union means we need to write all the elements which are there in both set A and set B. Whereas intersection means we need to write only common elements. Question understood? What is the question A? X such that x is a factor of 12. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. X such that x is a factor of 6. What are the factors of 6? 1, 2, 3, 6. Then we found A union B and then A intersection B. Now coming to question number 2. If A equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is a factor of 13. See how they are asking question. Set A is x such that x belongs to n. N is nothing but natural number and x is a factor of 13. So children, what are the elements in set A? What are the factors of 30? 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6 are 30, and then 10, 3 are 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 30. So, sorry, 15 also a factor, 15 to the 30, we forgot to write 15, 15 and 30, right? Next. Second one, b equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is a prime factor of 30. prime factors of 30. These all are factors of 30. Second condition is x such that x is a prime factor of 30. Among them, what are the prime numbers here? Here the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. They are the prime factors of 30. Question understood, children? First one, x is a factor of 30. Means all the factors of 30 here. But whereas in set B, x is a prime factor of 30. What are the prime factors here? 2, 3, 5. They are only prime factors of 30. Okay. Now they are asking to draw Venn diagram of A union B. Okay. First let us find A union B. A in the sense 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Union B in the sense 2, 3, 5. Union means we need to write all the elements which are there in both the sets, right? A union B is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 20. But they are asking to draw Venn diagram of A union B. Okay? So this is our A and this is our B. Set A, set B. This is our universal set mu. In set B we have 2, 3, 5. In set A we have 1, 6, 10, 15, 30. What do you mean by union, children? Union means all. This is our A union B. Okay, instead of asking A union B, they may ask A intersection B also. If at all they are asking A intersection B, this is our A, set A, set B. This is our universal set mu. Intersection means only common elements. Actually, what are the common elements? 2, 3, 5. Intersection means we need to represent only intersection part. This is our A intersection B. Right, children? Union means full. But whereas an intersection means only the common elements. Here remaining elements are 1, 5, sorry not 5, 1, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Is it clear, children? How to represent, how to draw Venn diagram of A union B. Okay? Yes. Now coming to third question. Now coming to question number 3. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, represent Venn diagram of A minus B. Represent Venn diagram of A minus B. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We need to represent A minus B. What do you mean by A minus B? Only elements in set A but not in B, right? Listen here, children. A means 1, 2, 3, 4 minus B means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here 2 is there, this 2 gets cancelled. Here 4 is there, 4 gets cancelled. A minus B means only elements in A but not in set B. So we have only 1, 3. Right? For example, instead of asking A minus B, they may also ask B minus C. If at all B minus A, what to do? First we need to write the elements in set B, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then minus A. A means what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Children, did you understand? They are asking if at all if they may ask B minus A. First we need to write what are the elements in set B minus elements in set A. Right? Again, 2, 2, 4, 4 gets cancelled. We have 6, 8, 10. Right? A minus B equal to 1, 3, B minus A equal to 6, 8, 10. Right? But they are asking to represent in Venn diagram. Okay, children, listen carefully. This is our A, this is our B, this is our universal set mu. Okay, A minus B equal to how much we got, children? A minus B equal to 1 comma 3, right? This is A minus B part. A minus B means only A, this part. Okay, also we have in set A 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Already 1, 3 over, remaining are 2, 4. B equal to what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So this is our A minus B. A minus B means only elements in A but not in B. So only this part, children. This is our A minus B. Only this part. This is our A minus B. Okay. If at all they are asking to find B minus A, listen children carefully. This is our A. This is our B. Common elements are what? 2 and 4, right? 2, 4. In A we have 1, 3. In B we have 6, 8, 10. A, B. This is our B minus A. This is our B minus A means only elements in B. This part, only part B. Only B minus A means only this part. Only this part. A minus B means only A. B minus A means only B. Children, did you understand how to represent A minus B and B minus A using Venn diagram? Okay. So far we have discussed how to represent A union B as well as A intersection B, A minus B as well as B minus A. Okay children. Also we found how to do A union B as well as A intersection B. Okay. Let us discuss set builder form, roster form, and number of subset. List all the subsets of given set, etc. Okay children. Now coming to question number 4. If A equal to x such that x is a factor of 24, then find n of A. See, they asked the question indirectly. A equal to what? X such that x is a factor of 24. What are the factors of 24, children? As the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Right? 1 24 is 24, 2 12 is 24, 3 8 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 8 3 is 24. Right? They are the factors of 24. But they are asking to find n of A. What is the meaning of n of A? Number of elements in set A, cardinal set of A. Right? So n of A equal to, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total we have how many elements? 8 elements we have. So n of A equal to 8. Children, did you understand how to find n of A? Yes. Now coming to one more question. List all its subsets of set A equal to x, y, z. As set A consisting of how many elements? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 elements are there in set A. Can you say me how many subsets are there in set A? As the formula is 2 to the power of n, 2 power n value 3, 2 cube equal to, we have 8 subsets. Children, let me write all its subsets of set A. First individual elements x, and then y, and then z. Okay? And then combinations x to y, xy, and then xz, and then yz, and then every set is a subset of itself and empty set is the subset of every set. Totally we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? As I told you, number of subset, how to find number of subsets of given set, we have the formula 2 to the power of n. Here n indicates what? Number of elements in set A. Here if we have 3 elements, so 2 to the power of 3, 8. For example, they may ask question like this also. Number of subset of, if A equal to 10 comma 100, A equal to 10 comma 100, find list all its subset of set A. As we have 2 elements in set A, so number of subsets are 2 to the power of 2, that is equal to 4. Let me write 10 and then 100 and then 10 comma 100 and then empty set. So totally we got 1, 2, 3, 4 subsets, right? Suppose if they may ask 4 elements also. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Can you find can you list all its subsets of set A? First, actually we have 4 elements in set A. So number of subsets are 2 to the power of 4, which is equal to 16. So they are 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 3, and then 1 comma 4. Now 2, 3, and then 2, 4. Okay, 2, 3, 2, 4. Next 3, 4. Okay. Next 3 elements. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 4, and then 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 3, 4. Okay? Again 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then empty set. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So totally how many subsets of given set A? Which is equal to 16. Which is also one of the important topic. List all its subset of set A. They may ask 2 elements, 3 elements, or else 4 elements. Okay children? Now coming to question number 6. If A equal to x such that x belongs to n and x less than 20. A equal to x such that x belongs to n and x less than 20. So natural numbers less than 20, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 19. And what about set B? B equal to x such that x belongs to n and x is less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are the elements in set A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 19 because x less than 20. What about the elements in set B? X such that x belongs to n and x less than or equal to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now then write the set A minus B. Set A minus B in set builder form. Okay, first let us find A minus B. A minus B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 19 minus B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 cancel, 2 cancel, 3 cancel, 4 cancel, 5 cancel. What about remaining elements? Remaining elements are from 6, 7, 8 up to 19. But they are asking to write the set A minus B in set builder form. Okay, let us write x such that x belongs to n and x is lies between, it is lies between 6 and 19. X is in between 6 and 19. It starts from 16 and ends from 19. I mean x is lies between 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 19. This is our set builder form. Okay, children, did you understand how to write A minus B in set builder form? Because in set A minus B we have elements 6, 7, 8 up to 19. So x says that x belongs to n and x is lies between 6 and 19. Okay children, coming to next question, give one example for each finite set an infinite set. What do you mean by finite set? Finite set is nothing but number of elements in the set are countable. Number of elements in the set are countable. For example, A, B, C. So which is a finite set? Because here in the set we have 3 elements. So that is said to be finite set. What about infinite set? For example, set n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Set of natural numbers. It starts from 1 and so on. Natural numbers and so on. Okay, number of elements in the set are uncountable. We cannot count. That set is said to be infinite set. Okay, so whatever we discussed so far, these all are important topics only from the chapter sets. Okay children, these are the topics we have discussed in this video. So children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends so that we can make more videos. So now we have examination time. So children, focus on your practice only. Okay, thank you children.